Alright, so check them out. This is how we're gonna save Jamaica. A part of it's already in motion, but we gotta get a lot more people to come on this side of the ocean. So first off, we gotta build bigger airports so that we can accommodate more guests so that they can fly over to the west. Because you know the west side is the best side. And this part is where it gets nice and sweet. So after we build the airports, we're gonna build better relationships. Because right now, we got flights coming in from America, Canada, Germany, Italy, and a couple more parts of Europe. But there's not enough countries with direct flights coming into Jamaica. Right now, they're working on a partnership with Nigeria and Dubai. But we need more countries in Africa to have direct flights to Jamaica because we have a connection with countries like Ghana where there's history. And in order for our history to not be a mystery, we need to have that connection. And the easiest way to do that is to have seamless transportation. Because you know, when a bunch of black folks get in a room, we gonna make a movie and things gonna get groovy. So if you bring the people from Africa over here and we do some type of collaboration, then we're gonna make that destination very festive. It's gonna be a festival year round. Because in the Caribbean, we have a much smaller population. And in Africa, they have a significantly larger population. And in this situation, the people are the product. So if we create an opportunity that's going to allow them to have an effortless transportation in order to arrive at our destination, that will create a boost for our economy. And since tourism already accounts for a large percentage of our GDP, it's already in line with what we have designed. So the only thing that we got to do is stop being blind. Because I'm giving you the sign and I'm putting the right things in your mind. This is a great opportunity for us to mesh our cultures together in order to bridge the divide that has been separating us for centuries. What has happened to us in the past does not have to dictate where we're going in the future. As a collective, we're stronger. As they say, united we stand, divided we fall. But that is not all. Even if you fall, you can still get back up and thrive because the objective is to strive for greatness. For example, Nigeria is big on dance and fashion, whereas Ghana and Kenya is big on food. So if we can leverage those similarities to build a better relationship, then it's going to create a huge boost for our economy. And it doesn't stop with Africa because you also have other countries in Europe like France, Italy. Mamma mia! Because you know we got the food that's going to set the mood. And the people going to be rude, but they going to give you the right food. The thing is that Jamaica has a lot more to offer than most people think. Everyone knows about Dunn's River Falls and the traditional touristy parts of Jamaica. But if you ask any Jamaican what the most beautiful part of Jamaica is, there'll be one answer that you'll predominantly hear. And that is Portland. Portland, Jamaica is the most beautiful part of the island. And the water is majestic. If you've ever been to Blue Lagoon, Frenchman's Cove, Fish Duns Falls, or any of the other beautiful natural attractions in Portland, then you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. And that is an area that is underdeveloped. We haven't even focused too much on that part. So that just shows how much potential there is within the island. There's a lot of room for growth, but there's a whole lot of space and opportunity. And we can enhance the community. We just have to build the right relationships, create the right routes, and then the rest of the world will be able to see exactly what Jamaica is all about. And the fact that Portland is underdeveloped is exactly what sells it because it's natural beauty. You get what you see, and you don't need any man-made enhancement in order to make it any better. It's the beauty of the island. It's about that time. So if you have any questions or you want to extend the conversation, leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell so that you're notified every time I make a new post. Until next time.